Details create excellence. Quality creates the future. Hello friends, in the last video, we explained the first 3 advantages of the ball phone long wood chipper from the feeding system of the ball phone long wood chipper. In this video, we will continue to talk about 4 powerful knife roller. The knife roller of the ball phone long wood chipper is made by forging technology. The knife roller is solid and durable, not easy to open welding, longer service life. 5. Stable structure. The main frame of the ball phone long wood chipper is manufactured by integral casting process. Reliable performance, high strength, and longer service life. 6. Intelligent safety. The ball phone long wood chipper is equipped with a safety auxiliary system. The upper and lower feedings are operated synchronously. The system detects the motor running current and can automatically adjust the upper and lower feeding motor speeds. If the wood chipper has difficulty feeding a lot of materials at one time, it will automatically stop feeding. Wait until the internal raw materials are crushed before continuing to feed. Reduces the frequency of material jams and machine blockages. Ensures stable operation of the equipment. 7. Stable operation. Before leaving the factory, the ball phone long wood chipper must undergo strict dynamic balancing inspection. This precision process can effectively reduce the vibration generated during the operation of the equipment. It greatly reduces the mechanical failure of the equipment caused by excessive vibration. The equipment runs more stably and has a longer service life. Yulong's ball phone long wood chipper has a variety of models. Users can choose the appropriate model equipment according to different production capacity requirements. Yulong Machinery Company, deeply engaged in the research and development and manufacturing of dense molding production line equipment for 27 years. Professional in providing production line equipment for the entire process of crushing, hammer milling, drying, granulating, cooling, packaging, etc. There are more than 70 Type S of equipment with complete varieties and guaranteed quality. If you want to inspect large-scale dense molding production line equipment, Shandong Yulong welcomes you to visit the factory.